What is up, guys? It's Shadow OT47. I know that I haven't uploaded a video on my channel for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks maybe, so I'm just gonna make a vlog with my 1995 Chevy Silverado Z71. I gave some power on the truck with the Tahoe. Oops. Yeah, I gave some power from the Tahoe. I'm just covering the license plate because I don't want to show that. So yeah, I gave some power on the truck. And also, guys, the bumpers, they're removable now. So look, I can remove the bumpers. Because yeah, 2 months ago in November 2019, me and my dad, we will like remove the bumpers on my poor condition 95 Silverado. Also, yeah, we also remove the screws on the back bumper. Yep, still in the bad condition, but don't worry about that. We gonna get this truck restored. Not in this month, but the month that we're gonna get this the month that we're gonna fix this truck, we're gonna fix it on June, like on summer. So let me start the truck, because I know I gave some power on this old school truck. Also, guys, I did make a vlog with the truck, but the video got messed up. But also, guys, let me show you something. This truck has 415,000 miles. Oh, Jesus Christ. I might guess my dad, he'd been driving this truck for like 20 years. 20 years that he bought this thing. 20 years he bought this truck like 20 years ago. You hear that? That's the sound that's coming out of the truck. That sounds weird. That noise, I actually don't like that noise, because that noise gives me the creeps when this 95 Silverado makes that weird noise. You can see there's my dog, Nego. What the hell is he doing? This little bastard. This pinche perro. What the hell is he doing? He's by the cable. Wait, yeah, that weird noise on the truck, it goes away when I press the gas pedal, but when I remove my foot or my arm, well, my hand, the weird noise, it comes back. But when I do it again, the weird noise goes away, and now it comes back. It sounds weird, by the way. I don't like that noise. My dog Bella, she's waiting for my mom to come home, because I know my mom, she went to pick up my little sister at school. I got her to school early because I was taking the test. And yeah, Jesus Christ, I don't like that fucking noise. Like, bruh, I don't like when this truck made that weird noise. I don't know why it doesn't shut well. This for locking the doors, the power switch. Also, my dad and I, we already put the new door handle. Looks nice, by the way. My bad, I just messed up. Yeah, it looks nice. That's the original door handle. Except for this one, this is not the original door handle. This one is like gray. Oh my god, bruh. I don't like when this truck keeps doing that weird noise. But yeah, poor condition, a 95 Silverado with 415,000 miles. I wish I want to put my phone on the ground so that I can do the exhaust sound of my truck. Yeah, this truck will be mine until me and my dad will get it fixed. Jesus Christ, this truck, oh my god, why? I really hate that noise, but yeah, here's the exhaust. The exhaust, that's the exhaust of the truck. See that Z71 package, Z71 off-road package. Has stock tail lights. Yeah, these tail lights, they have a good condition, but the tailgate does not look great. The paint is taken off. It's not great. This truck is like in a very bad condition. Yeah, I probably need to turn off the truck now because I don't want to run out of gas. So yeah. Also the steering wheel, I like this. My dad, he was helping me to put this nice looking custom steering wheel, but I'm not sure it looks like exactly. I don't think it's a custom steering wheel. This is a stock steering wheel. This is a plastic, like when your steering wheel, like you see that, you guys can see that, the steering wheel. Yeah, the steering wheel is getting old. It's taking off the, how do you say, this plastic thing on the steering wheel. But yeah, I actually put this red and black plastic steering wheel. One thing, you guys, from after Christmas break, this little mutt, guess what this little mutt he just did? I just shut the door. Guess what this stupid dog he just did? This dog, he ripped the cables from the lights. This from the bottom and the top. Look what this stupid dog he just did. I mean, how I can put a new light cable? Like, do I have to find it in a junkyard? Well, I don't know. How about you guys can let me know how can I find or how I can buy a light switch once that I get when I get this truck restored it. Yeah, I'm getting this truck restored. Gonna fix everything. Me and my dad, we're gonna fix everything that it has on this truck, repaint it, put a new grill and new bumpers. Also, for the mirrors, I want to put some touring mirrors so it could look nice. Also, my dad, he wants to put a light bar on the top of the truck so it can also look nice. But as you know, the wheels, they look cool. Also, the grill, it wasn't like that from before when I record the video. For last time, like months ago, a few months ago, like back in January, on summer 2019, the grill, it wasn't like that. But now it's broken because this freaking dog, he just break the part of the grill and he rips the cables. Well, he bite off the cables. This dog, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this dog, but from her, she can just stay at my house because she doesn't do anything. The only things that one of my dogs, they bite things, it's him. He bites things. Oops. Oh. Don't want to show that. License plate from the Tahoe. Oh no, I'm not showing that. But I just show him my stupid dog that he bites things. Look what he's biting now. He's biting a chicken. She's not doing anything. She's not doing anything. She's just like waiting for my mom to come home. And I'm also waiting for my mom. But yeah. Oh, and one thing, the slight step on the truck is about to break. The gas cap. Can I don't even open it? I don't know how I can put. I don't know. No idea how can I put some gas. Cause putting some gas on this truck, that is important. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video now. So if you guys enjoyed this video with my 1995 Silverado that I finally removed the bumpers. But yeah, I can take it off the bumpers, and after that, when me and my dad go to the we go to the junkyard, we can buy some new bumpers for the truck, and we can get it restarted. But not now in the cold weather, because it's freezing out here. So we gonna restore my truck in summer. But anyway, guys, if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you're new, turn the notification bell after subscribing my channel. Leave down some comments what you guys think about my truck. You like it or not. Probably you guys not gonna like my truck because my truck doesn't look great in the bad condition. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe and like, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope I'm gonna do a gameplay with my phone, or maybe uploading a game clip from my Xbox. But anyway, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.